guys, good morning. Good morning. So today is another exciting day. Today we are going to the waterfalls in Nevis. And to dress to go to the waterfall, you need clothes that you don't really want. So I picked out this orange shirt that I had for years that I don't want if it gets messed up. I picked out this long pants. It stretches that I had for years, so I don't want it. So if it gets messed up and muddy, I can just throw it away. And then I picked out a shoe that is that I had there for a long time, and that shoe I don't really care about anyway. So we are going to the waterfalls, so I'm dressed. I have on a swimwear underneath because I'm gonna try to go to the beach when I come back. And actually I'm gonna try to take some pictures there at the waterfall in my swimwear. So come on guys, let's go. It's time to hike. Hi guys, so we have reached a certain spot. There's the mountain, and I had to park my car right here. And now we're gonna head on up and head into the mountain. Okay, so there's the mountain and there's a lot of rain.
Call me?
Okay, so we have our guide here. What's your name?
Dan.
Dan. And he will be taking us up to the waterfalls. And I have my cousin in the back. So we're heading on up. Okay guys, let the adventure begin. So we will be walking alongside the prison. This is Nevis prison over here. That's my tour guide and my cousin there. Got my gloves. Okay. The fence line to the prison? The fence line? They need a better fence line, man. Prisons and them could come and jump over. I hope we see some monkeys. Huh? We're heading to the waterfalls, guys. We're in Nevis. And one of the attractions is the waterfalls. And it's in the mountains, so we're heading there.
Just to lead there. For that
Oh, okay.
experience.
Okay.
I'm just here to guide just in case the person around
Can I get the water?
The water.
In the line instead of the cup.
Oh, I think I just saw a monkey there.
I'll fall down.
Is that I just saw the thing at the glimpse of my eyes.
almost to the waterfall.
Oh, okay. So there's a pipeline all the way up
Yeah.
that we're gonna take to the waterfall. Okay. Okay.
Down to the prison. And go down to the prison and from somewhere else that the line disappears.
Oh, okay.
19 right now.
Okay, so this is a line right here
Yeah, the old water line.
that we're looking at. And this is gonna lead us up to the waterfalls. Okay, so that's the line that we're looking at. And then this one, what about this black one?
It's a new line put in to get
It's
water to the prison.
Oh, and this is a new line that was put in to get water to the prisoners.
From the
Okay, so there's a line right here.
dollar. Will disappear in some places, but you see the old copper line.
Okay. So it disappears someplace and then
broken and repaired.
broken and repaired. Okay. The blue one it's repaired. I remember the last time when we were here, we came up to the mountain and down to the gut.
So it was drier.
Huh?
It was drier.
No, it was wet.
Paying attention to the tree on the left.
Huh?
Oh yeah, the big tree. See the root?
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah.
The island
It's
is
up
very big. Yeah, it's like a walk. We're not gonna, and these don't go down. We never see one of them here. But it's from.
Yeah.
So guys, we are in the woods in Nevis and we're heading to the waterfalls. So follow us.
Is that Sandbach Street?
No.
No?
Sandbags have spikes on them.
So when did they recently discover this waterfalls up there? Because when I was living here, I never knew about waterfalls.
Yeah, but
Nevis.
And that's so long ago.
Yeah.
And lately we hear about waterfalls.
Yeah.
Oh, the water is cool, you don't know.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. You know? We got to put our name on there. Yeah.
They have it in the tree. My cabinet. Then see a couple now.
yeah.
This is the cocoa plant, guys. I guess you make cocoa. That's what they call it, cocoa.
You have a young one on it. Is it? No.
I remember the big stone in there. Jump off. Swing, get it swing and just swing out. Jump in the water. That's what I don't know about that. It's a yarn.
Yes, guys, we have reached the first waterfall. You can hear it.
Yep.
How long it took us? How long it took us? How long it took us?
Close to about 50 minutes.
50 minutes.
50.
Almost an hour, guys. Okay, gotta be careful because some of the rocks are kind of slippery. So you have to know where to put your foot. And we have reached our first waterfall. Yay! Yay!
Look. One smaller one.
Yes! Look at this! Look at this! And it is full! Oh my God. Oh my gosh, our first waterfall. Oh my God, my feet feel so good in this water. Oh my gosh. Oh, yes. You can drink the water.
We're not very good.
Take a nice sip when you're sitting down.
What?
Guys, climbing time.
That me a climb.
And then the ropes have knots so you can hold on to, you can get a grip.
And always wait till the one goes up first before you pull down. And you end up with always up the last stage.
Big one is going up. Okay guys, so we're up. We have passed the first waterfall, so we're heading to the second waterfall. I think it's about 6, right?
Yeah.
But we're only going to number 3. Hi guys, we are at the third waterfall. We're in lovely Nevis. Please come and visit us. We are great island, great people, great food. Come and visit us. Yes, we have a tour guide. Whenever you're in the Nevis area, look for Dunford Wilkinson, and we will do your tour to the waterfalls. Yep. Can we go in there? Guys, we have to be careful. As long as I hold on to the rope, I'm good.
The tour guide and Velma will be going up the rocks. But guess what? I'll be staying down here to videotape them. Someone has to do the job. Look at Velma going up.
Okay guys, so we have visited the third. The second is down here, so we bypassed the second and came to the third waterfall, and then we're going to go back down to the second because we're going down the gut and up to the second waterfall. But this is where you go. This is where you go to the fourth waterfall. So you can see it's very steep. It's very steep. So that's where you go to the fourth waterfall.
Waiting on us.
I'm not surprised. I'm not surprised.
Okay guys, so those,
One at a time in a
these
row.
are our second group to adventure up into the mountains to the waterfall. We were the first.
Yep.
We cleaned all the cobwebs away for them. And now they're on their way up to the fourth waterfall. Enjoy, guys.
Right.
Okay, guys, we're heading down to the second waterfall that we passed. Jump on. How are you going to get on here?
Turn back. Turn your back door.
Hi guys, so we have visited 3 of the waterfalls, 3 out of 6 of the waterfalls in Nevis, and it was quite an adventure. We saw Coco, and we saw the where the pipeline runs, and that takes us up to the waterfalls, and we had a good time. So we're exhausted a little bit. But everything's good. I mean, it was an adventure, and I think you guys should come and do it too. So until next time, peace. Thanks for clicking on my channel, guys. Please like, share, and subscribe. And thank you for watching.
Ooh, They told me everybody's 15 minutes in a different time zone. And since I have it at the moment, you don't wanna shine my light on. Get your life, little mama, won't you get your life on? Ain't nothing cooler than the wrong moves when you do them to the right song, the right song. Let's shoot this movie and put the shit on repeat. I hope this memory's not making you fall asleep. Before we hit the road, put our phones on silent. Nobody's trying to bring sand to the beach. What would it take to change your plans for the weekend? Cause I'm trying to kick it like eating. The whole thing, the pre-party, the pre-sex. Then we hit the major league with the G's.
Hey, I like you girl in particular.